Isuzu Crosswind. So yan, so dina-check ko yung rear evaporator. At ito guys yung front. Share natin. May leak po. Oh. Evaporator leak. Isuzu Crosswind. Yan. So medyo luma na, no? Stock pa original. How many years? So papalitan natin yan ng bago, right?